Hello everyone! Today we're tackling a common issue in React Native 0.73, that execution failed for task React Native Vision Camera compileDebugKotlin error when working with the React Native Vision Camera library. This can be frustrating, but don't worry. We'll break down the causes and provide simple solutions to get your camera working smoothly. This error usually means there's a problem compiling the Kotlin code needed for the camera module in your debug build. Let's dive into how to fix it. First, check your Kotlin version. React Native and React Native Vision Camera have specific Kotlin version requirements. Make sure you're using a compatible version. You can find this information in the React Native Vision Camera documentation or GitHub repository. Typically, you can specify the Kotlin version in your Android/build.gradle file. Look for the ext Kotlin_version property. Ensure it aligns with the library's recommended version. Next, ensure your Gradle version is up to date. Outdated Gradle versions can cause conflicts and compilation issues. Update your Gradle version in the Android/build.gradle file within the build script block and the all projects block, pointing to the latest stable release compatible with your React Native version. Clean your Gradle project. Sometimes, corrupted build files can lead to this error. Go to your Android Studio and select Build then Clean Project. Afterward, choose Build then Rebuild Project. This forces Gradle to rebuild everything from scratch. Another possible cause is dependency conflicts. React Native projects can have many dependencies, and sometimes, different libraries require conflicting versions of the same dependency. Use Gradle's dependency analysis tools to identify any conflicts. You can often resolve these by explicitly declaring a specific version of the conflicting dependency in your Android/app/build.gradle file, forcing all libraries to use that version. Also, verify that your Android SDK is properly configured. React Native requires specific Android SDK components to be installed. Make sure you have the necessary SDK versions installed through the Android SDK Manager in Android Studio. Additionally, verify your local.properties file in the Android directory. Ensure it correctly points to your Android SDK location. If the path is incorrect, update it accordingly. Sometimes, invalid cache might cause issue with building your project. Try removing the Gradle cache folder rmrf/.gradle/caches/. Finally, carefully review the React Native Vision Camera installation instructions. Make sure you followed all the steps correctly, including linking the library and configuring permissions. Double-check any manual linking steps if you didn't use auto-linking. By systematically checking these points, Kotlin version, Gradle version, cleaning the project, resolving dependency conflicts, verifying the Android SDK, and reviewing installation instructions, you should be able to resolve the execution failed for task React Native Vision Camera compileDebugKotlin error and get your React Native camera application up and running. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Every little bit helps us create more content like this. Let us know in the comments if you have any other errors you want us to cover.